that straddle a row of bushes and shake the fruit off the branches. The falling berries are caught on a conveyor belt that transports them to a bin or a trailer. These machines can reduce labor costs and increase efficiency, but they can also cause bruising and damage to the fruit and pick unripe or overripe berries that need to be sorted out later. Farmers are essential assisting the process as they perform various tasks to ensure the quality and safety of the fruit. Researchers have boosted machine-harvested blueberry quality by employing innovative systems with soft surfaces, ripeness and color sensors, and efficient methods for placing berries into production-ready containers. AI detector scanners are used by modern facilities to further sort the blueberries. Here, the conveyor belt separates into many mini-belts that carry each berry individually, passing through these advanced high-tech scanners. Companies use artificial intelligence, computer vision, and machine learning to analyze the images of blueberries and extract useful information from them. These machines can detect the ripeness, size, color, shape, and defect of each berry, such as bruises, cracks, mold, insects, or foreign objects. The images are then sent to a computer that runs the AI software, which analyzes the images and extracts the features of each berry. Moreover, they classify the berries into different grades and categories so they can sort the berries into different bins or containers based on their quality and destination. The benefits of using an AI detector machine for scanning blueberries are manifold. The machine can increase the efficiency and accuracy of the sorting process, as it can process thousands of berries per minute and reduce human errors and biases. The machine can also enhance the profitability and sustainability of the blueberry industry, as it can reduce labor costs and And finally, after this final check, the blueberries are ready to be packaged. This is where other advanced machines come into play. These machines automatically fill the packages with the inspected berries, ensuring precision and efficiency. The labeling process is also automated, with machines accurately tagging each package with essential information such as weight, variety, and any other relevant details. This automated packaging not only streamlines the process, but also helps maintain the freshness and integrity of the blueberries until they reach the market. A significant portion of the packaged blueberries is directed towards fresh markets. These markets can include grocery stores, supermarkets, farmers markets, and other retail outlets. The packaged berries, each labeled with essential information, are distributed to these locations to meet consumer demand for fresh, high-quality blueberries. Simultaneously, a portion of the packaged blueberries is designated for the production of frozen blueberries. These berries are sent to specialized processing facilities equipped with freezing technology. Freezing is a common method of preserving blueberries for long-term storage and consumption. Freezing can retain the flavor, color, texture, and nutrients of the fresh blueberries, as well as prevent microbial growth and spoilage. However, freezing also requires careful handling and processing to ensure the quality and safety of the frozen blueberries. The freezing production line consists of several steps: washing, rinsing, freezing, destemming, sorting, packing, and shipping. The blueberries enter a freezing tunnel where they are exposed to very low temperatures, usually below -18°C and high-speed air. This causes the water inside the blueberries to freeze quickly, forming small ice crystals that do not damage the cell walls. The next step is destemming the blueberries. The blueberries are destemmed by a mechanical device that removes the stems and any attached leaves or twigs. Destemming improves the appearance and the quality of the blueberries, as well as reduces the weight and volume of the product. Frozen blueberries are packaged in mass production by weighing and packing them into plastic bags or boxes, labeling them with the date, weight, and origin of the berries, and storing them in a cold storage warehouse until they are shipped to the market. Some processors also use a sanitary solution, such as chlorine or ozone, to rinse the berries before freezing them, and a laser sorter to remove any defects or foreign matter after freezing them. Whether enjoyed fresh as a snack, incorporated into recipes, or used in various frozen applications, blueberries continue to delight consumers with their vibrant flavor and nutritional benefits. From classic breakfast options like blueberry pancakes and muffins to refreshing blueberry smoothies and vibrant salads, these berries bring a delightful sweetness and vibrant color to the table.